I heard you got the news, Nick. You're going to Ibiza with BOTB.
That's pretty exciting. I was just sat at home yesterday. I've never been on BOTB before, but I've heard quite a few things about it, so I just went on and I won. So yeah, I've just been telling everyone at work about it.
I'm not surprised. Hey, well, look, you get a +1 for your holiday, so all your colleagues are probably going, oh, mate, we've been friends for such a long time. I've got my sunglasses ready, Nick. Look, I'm ready.
Very nice, yeah.
Can you remember how many tickets you bought?
I bought 10.
10 tickets?
Yeah.
Fantastic. What was your first thought when you saw that Ibiza holiday come up as the win?
Took a while to sink in, really. I thought, kept on checking it just to see, was that actually real?
Well, mate, massive congrats. Well done.
Thank you very much.
Are all your colleagues now going to start entering BOTB?
Yeah, I think I've got one's just opposite me now. I think he's signing up for it now.
Is he? Or maybe I'll surprise him next. You never know. And whereabouts do you work?
Amazon.
Amazon. Are you in the warehouse?
I'm in the one of the warehouses, one of the fulfillment centres.
Fantastic. Have you got your deals on at the moment? It must be pretty busy.
Yeah, no, it's Prime Week, so yeah.
Well, I'll let you get back to work, but yeah, huge congrats on that amazing Ibiza holiday.
Cheers, mate. Thank you.
No worries. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.